In today's video, I'm going to teach you Inventory Sync Shopify apps. By the end, you'll have the Stock Sync app installed and configured so your product quantities update automatically and stay accurate without constant manual work. Start in your Shopify admin. From the home screen, open the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Use the search field to look for an inventory tool called Stock Sync. Then open its listing. Click Install to add it to your store, and confirm Install again to approve the requested permissions. Take a moment to review what the app can access so you know exactly how it connects to your products and inventory. When the app launches, choose Get Started to open the welcome flow. Next, select Create New Feed. You'll see on-screen highlights guiding the key choices. Follow those prompts to choose your data source, such as a CSV file, Google Sheets, or a supplier feed from an FTP or URL. Pick the option that matches how you receive inventory updates. Continue through the highlighted steps to define how products are matched and updated. Set the product identifier first. SKU is typically the most reliable. And confirm the quantity field that represents on-hand stock. Make sure your column names in the file or sheet align with what the app expects. Consistent SKUs across your store and supplier files are essential for accurate syncing. Keep following the app's highlights to choose your update behavior and schedule. Decide whether the app should overwrite quantities or adjust them, and set how frequently it checks your source. Hourly or daily is common, depending on how fast your inventory changes. The guided flow makes these choices easy, and you can revisit them anytime. Once the feed is set, head to the dashboard. Click Get Started there. Then start building your dashboard to view summaries of recent sync runs, error logs, and upcoming schedules. This is the best place to confirm that everything is working and to quickly spot any mismatched SKUs or missing fields. Open Notification to review alert options. You can turn on emails for successful syncs, failures, or low stock warnings so the right people are informed in real time. In Manage Account, confirm your store and contact details. Then go to Billing to review plan limits and usage. Open the SyncX Stock Sync entry to see your current plan and how charges are handled through Shopify's billing. With that in place, your inventory feed is ready to keep stock levels aligned automatically. Accurate quantities reduce overselling, prevent stockouts, and free up time. If your supplier changes formats, just return to the feed and update the mappings to keep everything in sync.